Hi, I'm Kiwi Daz. It's another episode of Getting It Done, eh? And today I'm going to show you quite possibly the cheapest way to replace a handle on a spade or a shovel or anything like that.
Painting and sanding and grinding and welding and planning and digging and nailing and whistling and prepping and singing and mocking and cutting and pointing and routing and forever caulking. With Kiwi Daz getting it done, eh?
This is a very 2025 video. Like, you couldn't have probably made this video in, definitely not in 1990. Maybe not in the year 2000. Maybe not in the year 2010. I can't guarantee that. But definitely in 2025 you can make this video. The cheapest way, quite possibly, to replace a handle. And it's not to go to the store and buy a handle. Nope. If I go to the shop in 2025, this is ridiculous, and this is part of the reason I'm making this video. You go to the shop to buy a handle for your shovel, and the price of a new shovel is cheaper than the handle. Like, what? That's right, the same handle with a shovel attached is cheaper than the handle sans, that means without, by the way, shovel. So bizarre, so bizarre. Anyway, so what I did was I went to the store and I found that the cheapest shovel happened to have quite a nice handle on it, I thought. It was made out of fiberglass. I'm like cool with that. Now the spade that I have has like a really straight, like the handle is there and there is no real angle, and all of the ones in the shop, all of them, this angle. So I bought a new spade that's like bent. I figure it's bent. It's bent like a shovel. If I throw that thing down into the hole and it's got like a 15-20 degree angle on the bottom, it's just not really going to work as well as if I just spearing it into the ground. Basically today I'm going to replace the handle on my existing shovel with the handle from the new shovel I bought. It seems totally crazy to be breaking apart a shovel that I just, or spade that I just bought, and putting an old spade head on it, but the old spade head is what I wanted and I couldn't find it in the shop. And so actually the cheapest way to replace this handle, if you just want to replace the handle, is to buy a spade and remove the spade head. So I'm going to show you how to swap that handle. There's a pin that goes through that thing, a pin going through the connection between the handle and the spade. It's like a permanent little rivet. So like basically cut that peen off with my angle grinder, just like whiz that one peen off the one side, poke that rivet back out, and I'm going to put it into my new one. And I want to just do this the easiest way for you. Probably the easiest way would be to just chuck a bolt in there. Yeah, probably just chuck a bolt in there, and that's probably what I'll do. So let's check this out, and you can come with me to the shop now. We can do some mucking about. Let's get it done, eh? that's it, pretty much. I just wasted a whole evening fixing a shovel when I probably could have just gone to a different store and found one like I liked and bought it again. But I like things that last. I don't like waste. I know that I'm going to be messing around doing this kind of stuff for the rest of my life. I hope you enjoyed this show. This is Kiwi Daz, getting it done, eh? If you do like my show, please do subscribe on the belly button, ring ring ring, and hit me up with a comment. Tell me how much I am so useless. Tell me how pedantic I am. Tell me how much I talk too much. Tell me whatever you like. I don't mind. I'm curious to hear what's up with you. What are you working on? What would you like to see more of from me? Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the show. That's getting it done. Fixing a handle on a spade with a fiberglass one off a really cheap spade that was cheaper than a handle. The cheapest handle replacement.
Painting and sanding and grinding and welding and planning and digging and nailing and whistling and prepping and singing and mocking and cutting and pointing and routing and forever caulking. With Kiwi Daz getting it done, eh?